You cannot do that.
Phantom, how the fuck you need two hands?
Bro, come on, man.
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Yo, why are you laughing? You just lost weight. You just lost weight, bro.
Why you mad at me? He said it.
My friend died a few years ago.
No, I was not. No, somebody said L. Reader.
Y and Ruke.
I swear to God. That nigga said.
Got robbed the other day.
What the fuck?
Alright, now what the fuck is going on, bro? Nah, hold on, I'm gonna call you back.
Nah.
Oh my fucking, bro, you letting him out fucking hands up. What the fuck is you doing, bro?